It's that time of the year again, getting the old plow truck here ready for winter. They did have snow in the forecast, but now they're changing it to rain. But I'm going to get my snow tires on this thing. I'm going to show you a new tool I got for installing fluid film. I think it's actually from Wool Wax. It's a cannon to spray the fluid film on. And of course, fluid film is very messy, but this works very well. So I'm going to show you that in this video. So keep it tuned right here. So we're going to start taking off our tires, which I have the other three already loose. I'm going to loosen up this one and then install my studded tires for this thing. Also, take the time right now to hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please do, because there's a lot of watchers out there that just aren't subscribed. Any products in this video, the Wool Wax cannon, fluid film cannon, whatever you want to call it, there'll be a link in the description for more information. You know about that thing right there. Still using it, still going strong. The viewership on that for some reason has dropped off as well, but you can see it is beat up, but it continues to work well. But again, links in the description for product review on my videos, and especially the Wool Wax cannon or fluid film cannon. Check out the link for more information down below. Myself, when I change my tires, usually in the fall and the spring, in this case almost winter, I like to look in and have a look at my brakes. If anybody is asking, these rotors are original to the truck, to my knowledge, and I own the truck for 15 years. You can also see how good a shape my frame is as well. And I'll show you more of that in part of the video. I torque my wheels, I have a 100 foot-pound torque stick. I mentioned that in other videos, but it works very nice. Make sure my lugs are nice and tight. Do this for inspection, but I always want to make sure that my suspension and my steering is nice and tight. To check the other side, and it's in good shape. Those who don't know what a stud tire is, a studded tire actually gives you more traction when you're on ice, snow, what have you. Besides lots of grips and sipes to give you more traction, the studs actually add even more and actually make the tires last longer as well. These I got on the shelf off of a guy I knew. They're Trail Cutter Tempera Radial RTs. And I took and studded them myself with a stun gun. So that is the difference on a stud tire. Alright, this is the Wool Wax. I guess you would call it the cannon. It says on the handle, Kellsport products. So I have some fluid film, or I should say PFC in this stuff yet. So I dumped that in there. I did start spraying the truck already. So we'll hook this up and I'll show you, because I don't want to get this stuff on the camera. And as you can already see, I was in near grease and all. So I'll show you this thing. But more information on this cannon in the description below. Alright, this truck has had this PFC on it quite a few times, but as you can see, makes it real easy to spray it all up. Now, I do recommend, like here, you can see it literally flying in the air. So that's all I'm going to do with it. But you can see how it lays out on there. I'll finish this in a little bit because I don't want it all over the camera. But I think it is a very good, provided you have an air compressor, good way of putting PFC, fluid film, or wool wax on. Parodic straws seem to be very similar. And my take, I still have a little bit of this left, and then we'll go from there which one I go to. The old-fashioned way is dumping it in a container and using a brush. That's the way I actually did this truck originally until I found this. I do like this thing. I used a paint sprayer. Didn't work very well, and actually towards last, it kind of blocked it up. It was very hard to clean. So finish up with the truck here. I got all my snow tires on for the winter. Checked all the air in the tires. I greased it. You know, I looked all around my frame, make sure I didn't have any issues on, you know, anything broken. Shocks are all in good shape. They're only on about a year. No broken leaf springs. Just, you know, I want to make sure my truck is in good shape so that I don't have any, you know, major issues this winter when I'm plowing snow with it. You know, I went around, greased everything. I checked my brakes. I checked the rear brakes. I also adjusted them as well. Just, you know, looking all around for any obvious problems or issues on my truck. You want to check your axle levels. I can't do it here because they'll be off because the axles hang down. But like here on a Ford 9-inch, that's where that is. And you want it just level. And it's on the front cover of a Dana 44. So, but pretty well that's it. Make sure all my lights work. I'll put my winter wiper blades on. Next video on this truck, I'll service the Western snowplow. I'll change oil in that because it's due, and I'll take you along for that. But for this video, this is about it for today. Thanks for watching. This is GMAC. Like, subscribe. Please subscribe because a lot of viewers out there are watching my channel and you're not subscribing. And if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. And remember, keep on wrenching.